In this video, we're going to take you through our experience at Quito Airport. This is the international terminal at Quito. Guys, welcome to the airport. How was your sleep? Good? We had a 45-50 minute ride from downtown Quito. The terminal looks very modern with that Johnny Rockets there, all the gates. I think that side is domestic and this is international. They have a couple of stores here, currency exchange, travel store. They also have a lounge out here, but we're gonna go check out a lounge a little later on. We're gonna post a different video on our review of using Priority Pass in Ecuador. But I think let's go and see if we can find Avianca counters. Right, we asked us, and somebody said it's letter D for International Avianca. It's a nice airport. Yeah. On to boarding gates. Right, we are through immigration. It probably took us about 15 minutes, and right after immigration is a duty-free shop. I'm getting excited seeing a little taste of home here and there. Now we're gonna go through the duty-free shop, show you guys what it looks like, and then probably walk to some of the gates.
Welcome to Quito International Airport. Let's take a tour.
As soon as you come out of the duty-free shop, TGI Fridays American Bar. This currency again in Quito is US dollars. So as you're walking around, shopping, visiting the city, or even buying stuff from vendors in the street, it's all US dollars. This looks like any other US airport. Our flight has not been announced. Do you want to check out gate 11 and 12 and then we'll walk the other way? So gates 11 and 12. Did you notice frosted glass over there? But you can have a view on that side. Oh yeah, we gotta check out their lounge too, and food court. So they have a lot of shops and stalls on the side. The Ecuadorian legendary hat. What is this? More Johnny Rockets? No, guacamole. Got Victoria's Secret. Another Johnny Rockets with the view of the planes behind us. Petite Gourmet Pizza. Got a usual Johnny Walker sculpture. More souvenirs and ponchos and hoodies you can buy. They do have a lot of souvenir stores. Now we're doing a single bag travel under the seat, so we didn't pay for any carry-on or luggage. Otherwise, Alia was saying we would have been shopping quite a bit.
From the street that we bought, yesterday was $1, but at the airport it's $6. So if you want something like this, get it from the street.
Get it from the street for $1. Like we bought some cuis.
Kui for $1.
And now we are on to Atenza duty free. More gates, A8-A1, and then B1 and B2. So our goal is to walk the length of Quito Airport, and actually B1, B2 are inside there, and that's where KLM and Air France goes. Oh, look at this!
Beautiful.
Oh wow. So here are the A gates, A5 to A7. End-to-end walk here. I can see the glass on the other side. I mean, it's less than 5 minutes. More drinks and snacks here. And I think I see glass over there. A1 to A4 gates are domestic, then A15 to A12 is where we were hanging out. So we're going to turn around from this spot and head back in that direction, but this time, instead of walking you guys through The shops, we're going to walk you through the gated area. You can see in the back, that is a KLM 747 cargo. I think it's a straight wings, so it's a 777-300, that's my guess. You can't really get a great shot because they have those bars in the middle, but it's still nice to see the planes. You can see Quito countryside in the back with the rolling hills. They also have a Japanese Miniso, life is for fun. Now, the viewing plane area, the gates B1 and B2, that was for KLM International, but it's blocked. So we have to come out when we see another entrance to go check out some more planes, we'll go in there. But as you can see, the international side of the airport is very, very small. This is the gate A9 area. Initial reaction on Quito Airport, it's modern, it's new, a lot of place for you to stop and do some plane spotting with that beautiful background in the back. A lot of places to eat, even for people from America, right? You have Johnny Rockets, you have TGI Fridays, you have a lot of places where you can charge your devices. The whole area's charging station. The only thing I will say is the glass is right next to a walkway and then another glass. So if you want to look at your planes up close, if I have to pick one con, that would be it. You forget to buy any souvenirs. Man, they have a lot of options. And it's not like some of those cheap souvenirs. They're authentic Ecuadorian arts and crafts that you can buy right at the airport. And what do you know, we are back at TGI Fridays. So back and forth between the A gates all the way to those couple of B gates. Yeah, 3-minute walk at most. Okay, so this concludes our quick walking tour of Quito International Airport. It has the right amount of gates, shops, restaurants, and people, right balance of it. Now, fun fact, the airport opened in 2013, and it actually replaced a 53-year-old airport, so hence the modern aspect of it, right? You can see.
You can tell it's very clean, it's very modern, and it's new, and you have a lot of food options, even though the airport is pretty small. But you still have many shopping stores and traditional shops, and you have a lot of food options. So
subscribe, like, comment. Bye for now.